Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel if you don't have subscribed it. And now I'll show you how to find the reverse order of our input string. Now start with the program. CLS clear your screen. Now I save to one string input. Enter string. Now define string variable as dollar, and now as dollar. Now for p equals to 1 to length of as dollar, 1 to length of as dollar, and now c dollar equals to c dollar equals to mid dollar of as dollar p times one character, p times one character, 1 to length of as dollar. Okay, and now here d dollar equals to now d dollar addition c dollar, and next p, and now print the reverse order of as dollar is d dollar. Okay, now end. Okay, हामीले यहाँसम्म सी डलरबाट सी डलरमा मिड डलर अफ एस डलरको अगाडिबाट लास्टसम्मको 51टा क्यारेक्टर निकाल्दै गयौँ, एन्ड डी डलर इक्वल्स टु डी डलर एडिसन सी डलर, र हामीले सी डलरलाई पछाडिबाट राख्दै गयौँ. नाउ कम्पाइल द प्रोग्राम. NEPAL sorry C dollar addition D dollar F5 NEPAL is left on. हामीले C डलरमा D डलरमा केलाई राख्दै गयौँ, C डलरलाई राख्दै गयौँ र रिभर्स अर्डरमा निकाल्दै गयौँ. If you want to change it like length of as dollar to 1 step minus 1, then you can use your d dollar equals to d dollar addition c dollar. Okay, now run the program. NEPAL left on. You can use other characters also. Kathmandu. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you again.